going to watch
Toy Story?
a
Ay, Spider-Man, nakala ko Toy Story.
simple tanong lang, pero my outfit check pagid.
Ano yan? Yung
Ikaw.
kanina?
Yeah.
Kasi, the point is,
PowerPoint.
checkpoint,
Ballpoint.
match point.
Agree.
Ano?
Ta-da! Can you pour it?
Dalawa kasi.
Yay!
Hindi ako excited ah. Basic, ano ba to? Ano ba panoorin natin? Ang ano? Sigabo? Sigabo ba to? Sino Sigabo? Ano to? Ah, Toy Story! Spider-Man! Sige, kwento nyo.
Parang bata. Super excited.
Sige, mga tapos naman mo.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
Batman?
Batman? Cinema One.
Sayang, akala ko may sasalubong sa atin, tapos naman tapos spoil kita, so sabakin kita.
Buang. How was the movie?
Boring naman.
Honestly. Be honest.
Maganda, siyempre, Spider-Man yan eh.
Spoiler. One
Uy,
spoiler.
wag ka mag
Ako lang mag-spoiler. Spider-Man will be back.
Uy naman. Sa Doomsday.
It's all closed. You rent the whole mall?
Hindi oh, sarado na. Gabi na kasi, alas 11.
I thought it was like a K-drama scene where you rented the whole place para it's just us. Okay.
Pagkano? 50 ata.